So back again with another case video for the Pixel 8 Pro, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I have another case video for the Pixel 8 Pro, my Obsidian Pixel 8 Pro. Yes, the best colour. Screw your Bay Blues. I wanted Bay Blue. Anyway, so this is from the guys at ThinBorne. So ThinBorne are a Aramid Fibre company out there, which are pretty new on the block, and I've been interacting with them back and forth on Twitter, and they have sent me this for review, and I must say, just looking at this straight out of the box, look how cool this box is. Look at that, ThinBorne, and it's all Aramid Fibre and nice wee gold bit here. That's really cool. And it's made of like wood / MDF. So yeah, it's pretty funky. Sure. Lovely. I'm well versed in the way of Aramid Fibre. Love it. And I'm really glad to see this. And first off the bat, this is 600D. And look at how clean that is. Lovely. Friend. Oh. Pat's installation cleaning kit. Oh, look at this. In the box, we have 2 screen protectors. That's pretty cool. 1, 2. And then we have a little cleaning kit to apply said screen protectors. That's pretty sweet. Top notch. Fair play, ThinBorne. That's pretty awesome. Screen protectors included with your case. That's a really cool box. I really like that. Look how cool that box is. Here we are. So Aramid Fibre. This is thin and lightweight. So yeah, as expected, this is going to be a bit. So first off, let's weigh this case. 10 grams. What? 10 grams. Damn! Now that is a light case. That is a really light case. And there you can see, like, it's 600D. It's very, very nice. Cutouts for the buttons, so you just use the buttons on the phone. The top is covered, which I like, as is the bottom. So there's your cutouts for your USB-C and your speakers, but the entire bottom and top of the phone is protected. So the only part that is exposed is the part with the buttons. So, and then on the inside then we have the same 600D pattern and then ThinBorne's logo. And you can see there it says, designed in Texas, made in China. Because everything's made in China. So, let's just pop this in. And man alive, that is literally that's the thinnest case I think I've tried so far for the Pixel 8 Pro. That is next level thin. Now, being Aramid Fibre, it is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Can't get away from that. That's just the way it is. But you know what? Make friends with a microfiber cloth and you'll be fine. There'll be no issues. All good in the hood. But look at that. It's so sleek and it feels so minimalistic and thin, and yeah, big fan. Big fan. So as you can see here as well, the camera bar, the metal part is still exposed, but the mold does come up over the sides of the camera bar and it's like flush, so it stays in line with the shape of the phone, which is something I really like. Other cases I've seen where it gets to the side of the bar, it's cut out and it doesn't come up over the sides. And to me, if you were to drop it down flat, that's where you're going to get that impact. So I do kind of like that. With this being a thin, minimal case, as you can see, there's next to no screen lip on it. That's not what this case is about. It's about thin minimalism. There is a slight raised corner on each corner of the phone, so it'll give you a minimal amount of protection lifted up off that flat surface. So if you set it down flat, it will be ever so slightly lifted up, which is what you can expect from a case like this. And as well, if you look at the camera bar, a slight lip up over the camera bar as well. And like I said before, the molded parts come up over the side part of that camera bar, which is really decent. So if you set the camera down flat, you're going to get a minimal amount of protection, but it is going to lift it up off that surface, so you're not going to get any of that sort of rub. So it's pretty good. Now, I will say, the feel of this case, it feels phenomenal. Thin, lightweight, and for all the people that are caseless fans that like the rock no case, this is as close to caseless as you're going to get, and it's really, really nice. It is really nice. I love the feel of it. However, I am a little bit disappointed that there's no MagSafe. So if any bit of feedback I can give to ThinBorne is, if you add MagSafe to this case is 10 out of 10. The only other case maker I've seen that has made an Aramid case for the Pixel 8 Pro, I think, is Later Case, and they're not MagSafe either. So ThinBorne, make this MagSafe and you have an instant winner on your hands, because that would make it absolutely perfect. Now, this is not a bad case. It is very, very well made. The finish is really good, and it's what you would expect from an Aramid Fibre case. The only downside for me is when I go out in the car, I have MagSafe mounts in the car for both my iPhone and my Android phone. I would love to be able to put this on a mount. So, you know. With the Qi 2 standard going to become standard across the board for Android phones, fingers crossed, maybe the next version we'll get MagSafe, because MagSafe all the things, and if I get MagSafe on this, take my money. Take all of my money. Yes, please. But it's still a really nice case. I do love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of the Aramid Fibre on the Pixel 8 Pro? Yeah, I'm a big fan. That's so nice. There's the button section there. And then there's the bottom part. There's the USB-C and the speaker cutouts. And as you can see, they're all covered. Same goes for the top then. So there is this gap for the antenna, but the microphone cutout there, but the rest of it is covered, you know, so it's very, very nice. It's a very well made case, and yeah, top marks. Top marks. As always, if you are interested in picking up this case, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep logged to the channel. I will have more Pixel 8 case reviews coming. I will also be doing a full review and some camera comparisons for the Pixel 8 Pro, so stay tuned for that. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.